This is the part of the mechanism that cuts the receipt. It's like a little guillotine. Here's the blade, and the blade fits right here as such, and it would ride this tracking wheel and come up and chop that receipt in half. Now, in order for it to ride the tracking wheel, it would have to have a peg right here to fit into the track. That peg is long gone for some reason, so I fashioned one out of this machine screw that I filed down. I'll cut this off, and this will then track. Oh man, this is great. I had to take a break from the cash register project to show you this. I got a package from my friend Tony Capone in Hawaii. Well, the package isn't in Hawaii. The package is right here in America, but it's from Hawaii. Hawaii is America. Let's do it. Tony said he was gonna send me some Hawaiian coffee, but he sent me so much more. Wow. All right, there it is, the big bags. Tony has a store out in Hawaii called The Big Bags. There's a little hole in the back of the bag so you could smell it through. Oh, DOESN Hawaiian hot sauce. I love hot sauce. This is gonna be great. Made with pineapple juice. And it says, Aloha from Hawaii. This is outstanding. He sent me seasoning too. Absolute aloha, made with Kona coffee. Delicious on pork chops, pulled pork, and ribs. Kona coffee pork seasoning, and it's called Rub My Hiney. And it's got a little pig there, and he appears to be sunning himself. Ganitas Confections, that's chocolate-covered coffee beans made with Hawaiian sea salt. This one's called Rub My Meat. See what else we have here. So much great stuff, Tony, thank you. I hear some sirens in the distance. I guess they're coming for me, so I better hurry up. What is this? All from Hawaii. I have friends in Hawaii. Boy, this is cool. This is soap. It says, Filthy Ho, handmade soap. It's got a really cool picture of a woman on there who is holding a garden tool, an implement. And on the back it says, a dirty hoe is a happy hoe, filthy farm girl. It smells incredible. It smells absolutely incredible. From the coffee to the soap, I can just imagine how fantastic these are gonna taste. Rub my meat and, wait a minute, rub my meat and rub my hiney. Okay. DOESN hot sauce and the coffee beans. Wow. What a great gift. Tony Capone, thank you so much. If you get a chance, guys, head out to Hawaii. Go to The Big Bags. And that is in, where is it? Where's The Big Bags? I gotta memorize this stuff next time I do one of these videos. The Big Bags. Oh, fresh ground coffee. Oh, I bet that's what Hawaii smells like. Oh, I wanted to tell you, I was wrong about these Ganitas Confections. I called them chocolate-covered coffee beans. They are chocolate-covered chocolates, and they are an absolute delight. Oh my God. Oh my God. If you want chocolate-covered coffee beans, You can take some of these. But at the same time. Everything's awesome. Now I gotta get back to work. So many projects going on down here. So many things left undone. She's come undone. You know, are you using this? Recently I went up to the Pokey Mountains to visit some friends. One such friend, Sam Green, she runs this fantastic art gallery in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. I was walking through her gallery with my friend Gary, and we were on our way out. I says, "Hold on, Gary, I gotta take a look at this cash register." So Sam, the owner, she overheard me. She was way in the front, and this was way in the back, and there was a back door. I was going out, and she said, "You want that cash register?" I was like, "Yeah." I'm like, "How much?" She's like, "I don't know." Then we made a deal, and I got some help and loaded it into the car. It was working when I got it, but it wasn't working with its motor. It was working with its crank, which is cool, but I needed to see this thing running. It did not have its cord attached. Someone had, this is uncomfortable. There. Someone had cut it off probably years ago as not to get it caught under their foot while they were moving this enormous thing around. You ever lift one of these things? All right, let's see this motor work. This motor and this cash register are both 100 years old, 1923. So let's see this magnificence. That was so much fun. Let's do it again. Let's get a receipt. A 100 years ago, this register belonged to the Dover Candy Company in Dover, New Jersey, and that was on Morris Street. Isn't that cool? Usually a candy store would have a smaller register, but it was a candy wholesaler. I think they were pumping out massive volumes of candy, so they needed a monster. So that's the story. A beautiful old national cash register from 1923 with a sweet history. And every time I look at it, I'll be reminded of that great day that I spent with friends. Thank you for watching.
He's up, he's down, he's all around. Such a miserable man. Uptown, downtown, all around. What a miserable man.